Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So yesterday we make a video about the most cheapest 5G smartphone. It's cost $238, but again another cheapest smartphone with $280 price, Vivo Y70s 5G. So talking about this smartphone, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. The mid-range market is getting more competitive with each passing day with the 5G devices coming in at more and more affordable price points. The latest member of the Vivo affordable Y series is the Y70s, and it's managed to combine 5G connectivity, triple camera, and starting price of the Chinese yuan 1,998 equal $280. It also the first phone to run on the Exynos 880 chipset, which is essentially an underclocked Exynos 980. The Y70s is built around 6.53-inch FHD plus LCD display with a punch hole cutout in the top left corner for its 16-megapixel selfie camera. Around the backside, we find 48-megapixel main camera alongside 8-megapixel ultra-wide snapper and 2-megapixel depth helper. The right-hand side houses the fingerprint scanner for unlocking. Talking about the hardware, we find the octa-core Exynos 880 SoC. It's based on an 8nm process with the 2 Cortex A77 core clocked at 2.0 GHz alongside 6 small A55 core working at 1.8 GHz. The GPU is the Mail G76 MP5. The software front is covered by FunTouch OS 10 based on the Android 10. The phone also comes with a 4500 mAh battery and 18-watt fast charging. The Vivo Y70s is offered in a black, blue and white colors and is currently listed on a pre-order in the China. The 6GB and 128GB of version goes for the Chinese yuan 1,998 equal $280. There is also 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage available on Chinese yuan 2,198 yuan equal $308. Official sale start on June 1st. So this is the another most cheapest smartphone in 5G lineup. These two devices is the most cheapest 5G smartphone, Vivo Y70s and the Huawei Enjoy Z. Both smartphone devices available in most cheapest prices with 5G connectivity. So let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. If you know more detail about the Huawei Enjoy Z 5G, the cheapest 5G smartphone from Huawei, you can check it out my last video I make about the Huawei Enjoy Z 5G. And make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos, and make sure to enable that bell icon so you do not miss any of my uploaded video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.